So one thing that, you know, there's a lot of stuff here that I kind of tried to put on the one slide, and I think what I hear the phrase for some of these eye charts, eye on the chart, was the new phrase I learned this week. So I tried to make one chart that looks kind of a little complicated. But when I try to think about the physical infrastructure, it's something we talk about a lot about management and software and integration, and that's absolutely what we need to talk about. That's absolutely what we are working on, what our evolution is. But sometimes we forget to talk about the basics. And when I talk to all my customers and my partners, they just say, you know, make sure it's reliable, right? Make sure it's working. You are the root of everything else I have. You are the base. And if your root of your branch are not working properly, you have the greatest service, or greatest orchestration. But make sure stuff works and make sure that things are well done. And I think that's very important, at least from my perspective, and that's where I always push to the rest of the product lines. It's #1 priority from physical infrastructure point of view, and it always will be. And a few things I listed there, you know, what exactly that means for ability from my side. Pretty much make sure, you know, it's scalable for your business, especially because of virtualization and everything else that's going on. You know, a lot of our partners, a lot of our smaller resellers don't even know, right, that UPS has a network card on the back of the connector that you can actually look at it, control it, and things like that. From integration point of view, what I mean by it, I mean a few things, and that's integration of our own offer, making sure that things are working properly, that when you plug the NFC to UPS, you can see PDUs that are connected to it. You don't have to have 2 points of references to talk to it. Things like that, basic things. It's solutions that are pre-configured, work great together. And the second piece is we need to talk same language as the IT equipment, right? We need to make sure our equipment works great, that's everything that's out there. And we are spending a lot of time making sure that our configurators, our third-party databases are up to date, are great. We are moving our third-party database to the even better one by the end of the summer. And it is important for us, right, to make sure that we do integrate. We also work on some of the protocols. For example, with Cisco, we talked about yesterday on some of our workshops and some stuff, but we also integrated some of the EnergyWise technology. I don't know how much of you know about EnergyWise technology from Cisco, but our UPSs, our single-phase UPSs are talking EnergyWise today, and overall our PDUs will talk in